Welcome back. So let's see whether I should just strip it with this or I should use something else. Let's try using this first. If not, I'll do it the old-fashioned way with those. All right, open this up. This should be really nice and easy. Let's see if the 2.6 is what we need. And do the turny. Let's do the turny dance here. That was easy. That was nice and easy. Let's do the other one. So it turns out 2.6 is fine for these really thick wires. And yeah, thick wires. There. All done. So then we'll just connect up the black one with the black one and the red one with the red one. Let's see if that can be done easily, or we got to do the soldering first. I think we should be able to just... I might need to strip a little bit more off of this one. Yeah. Strip a bit off of this one here. We'll just do around there. Oh, this wire is a different size, so we got to use a slightly smaller one for this. So we're going to use 2 on this one. See if that worked. Yep, it worked. Worked great, and we'll do the same on the red one so we have more to work with here. And I'll turn it to our heart's content. Ah! Whoa! The camera bites the dust.